Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Salesforce with Authenticator App step by step clearly. Open the Salesforce login page in your web browser. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. Click on the Login button to proceed. You may see a prompt for two-factor authentication. Launch your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Look for the Salesforce entry in the app. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to add Salesforce to your Authenticator app. To do this, return to the Salesforce login page. Click on the Set up your Authenticator app or similar link if prompted. You will see a QR code displayed on the screen. Open the Authenticator app and select Add Account or the plus sign. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned, Salesforce will be added as a new account in the app. The app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to the Salesforce login page. Enter the 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app. Click the Verify or Submit button to complete the authentication process. If the code is correct, you will be logged into your Salesforce account. In case of an incorrect code, check the Authenticator app for the latest code and try again. Once logged in, you can start using your Salesforce account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.